Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the PITAKA magnetic folio case for iPad mini. It is also available for iPad Pro, so you can consider this video for iPad mini Gen 6, Gen 7 or iPad Pro 11 or iPad Pro 13. So we are going to talk about its design, features, build quality, specs, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the huge PITAKA branding, name of the product, magnetic folio case. It is compatible with iPad mini 6 and 7. Here we got the huge picture of the product, and here it shows that you can use it in different mode for landscape, portrait and drawing purposes. On the back we got the information that it is made of premium PU leather. It is slim and lightweight. Once again, you can use it for landscape and portrait mode, and it provides double-sided protection to the front and back as well. And we got powerful magnet for secure attachment and protection. So it is looking quite premium in terms of packaging. Here we got the instruction how to use the MagEZ Folio 2 case for iPad mini in different angles and orientation, and that's all we got. So here is our PITAKA MagEZ Folio case for iPad mini or iPad Pro. So talking about the design and build quality, it is looking quite premium. The interior is made of the microfiber that is soft, and it's going to provide protection to your iPad. Here we got the information that it is MagEZ Folio 2 case for iPad mini 6 and 7, designed by PITAKA. And in this part you can see these parts are flexible, so you can use these for putting your device in different angles. So first of all, let's put our iPad mini here. So it is magnetic and the magnet is pretty strong. It just attracted my device here, and it's not going to fall out of this case easy because the magnet is quite strong. And here is something interesting in terms of design, that if you are using this Apple Pen here, then you can of course put it here on your iPad mini, and then you can secure it. This Apple Pen won't fall out of the case, and if you do not want to have this bulk here, then you can just remove it and fold it on the back side, and it will stick here because everything is magnetic. This is magnetic as well, and it goes on the back as well. So this is quite nice, as you can see here. And if you do not have the Apple Pen at all, then what you can do, you can put it here. You see, this spot is especially for this purpose, for hiding the extra stuff we got here, and we are good to go. But I would personally prefer to have it this way to provide a bit of protection to the body, even if you are not using the Apple Pen with your iPad. We got the precise cutout here for the camera module. The bottom is open. There is no protection here on this side, but the edges are slightly raised, so if you drop it vertically, then it won't hit the frame directly because this part is slightly outwards, but still not too much protection at the top and the bottom. Here on the front side we got this PITAKA branding, and once again these zigzag lines using which we can set the iPad mini in different orientations. It comes with the support for auto slip and wake function. So you can see it is awake now and it is sleeping now. So everything, the icons and other stuff, they gone because the device is in sleep mode, and now it woke up. And once again it is in sleep mode. So this is how it works, the auto sleep and wake function. The PU leather here is very soft. It feels so good while touching it. Comes with this nice texture that provides grip as well while holding the iPad with this case on. So this is the position number 1. It is at 57 degrees. So in this mode you can use your iPad watching videos or any kind of content consumption without facing any issue. In this particular angle it is at 57 degrees right now, and now you can just take it from here, put it in vertical mode, and then it will be in the portrait mode. So now you can use it for browsing the internet, reading some documents, etc. Now at this angle it is at 62 degrees. So this is the position number 2. That's the portrait one. Now it is at 53 degrees and now you can use it as a secondary screen. So the difference between the 53 degrees and 57 degrees is not too much. You can use any of these for the horizontal mode or to use your iPad as a secondary screen. Not too much difference, but still you can change the angle from 53 to 57 depending on your preference, that at what angle you would like to use your iPad in the horizontal mode with the help of the PITAKA MagEZ Folio Case. And then this is the fourth position at 34 degrees for the sketch mode to use the Apple Pen with your iPad. So now you can just put it like this. You can see now this is still horizontal but at a lower angle, 34 degrees only. And if you want, then you can use the Apple Pencil for writing in this mode. So once again, this is also a horizontal position, but it is at a lower angle to use your Apple Pen with your iPad. So these are the 4 different angles at which you can use your PITAKA MagEZ Folio Case with your iPad here. So if you're planning to buy a case for your iPad mini or iPad Pro, then the PITAKA MagEZ Folio Case is one of the best options for you because it looks premium, it is beautiful, comes with very nice texture, provides protection to your iPad as well as to your Apple Pen, as you can see here, and you can use it at 4 different angles to have 4 different viewing angles on your iPad to perform various activities. If you are interested in buying it, then I have shared the link in the description of this video, and if you found this video useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.